but doesn't matter.
G'day! We're here in the outback. Jokes.
I don't want to be in any vlogs.
Too late! What are we doing, Bara?
Be ready.
Cikolo nangusum!
On our way to check in. Hopefully there's space.
Right, we're heading to Dallas, Texas. And guess what? We're taking you with us. It's gonna be a long flight. Let's go.
We fly many a miles, we share a beautiful smile. We're making our way home, I'm making my way home. We dream of a brighter sky, reach out from far and wide. I'm making my way home, where I belong, moments we share.
Go. Dallas, baby. Just checked in.
Just filling out my form, my luggage forms to tag my bag to Dallas.
That's my suitcase, by the way. We've checked in.
Oh, yo!
Are we going to drink grog in the car park? So, Bill, what's your thoughts of?
That's fine.
What's your thoughts about the work that we do and the places that it's taken us over the years?
I enjoy the work that we do and the places it's taken us. It's just opened doors to new opportunities, new food. That's the main thing. I like tasting the different foods where we go. This is one that I'm looking forward to, the Dallas trip, because Texas is well known for their barbecue. Barbecue. Yeah, barbecue. So yeah, hopefully we get to chuck some bangers on the barbie.
Chug some meat.
Australian.
We've got a foodie with us, and he's going to show us all the spots. These two are trying to configure
Sorry,
the camera.
Timothy is just teaching me how to use this camera because I'm used to phones.
But what do you think about the work that we do and how it's taken us to different places around the world?
It takes a hard work. Like my Mbara always say, "Songo nga toso."
Bara.
And now you're achieving it. So keep on doing your work. Hard work is always the best work to do.
Yeah, strong, hard advice from the man from Gamea. Powerful. That's Resonance's uncle.
When you do something, do it well, eh?
That's the spirit. Heading in. This is you. Grab some chow. Hello. How's this? Good. Hefty. Business. This is the main fella, head chef.
Which is the chicken.
The beef. We're gonna have a feed and then shower and head up for the flight. Lighting up at a gate.
Wow, hindi mo na nakatali. Welcome on board.
Like the island of Guadalupe.
Sandra. 2 hours and 23 minutes to go.
Yandra, bulan lang guys saying Thailand.
Just had breakfast. And yeah, most of the trip is done. It's the 2 hours to go. It shouldn't be too long. And we're flying over California soon. We're gonna go over California, then Arizona, then New Mexico, and then Texas. Dallas, Fort Worth. Let's go. We are about to land. Oh wow. About to land.
Moments we share together. Ooh, those moments to celebrate and be proud. Moments they last forever. With beautiful memories that are filled with joy and happiness. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Coming home.
Covering a distance
Welcome
of
to Dallas.
5,934 miles
Howdy.
from our tropical paradise to the economic and cultural hub of North Texas. And with that historical landing, a very good afternoon and welcome to Dallas Fort Worth International Airport.
It's funny to see the ground staff at the airport taking videos and photos. I think it's obviously the first time for them to see a Fiji Airways plane. Pretty unique. So we just landed. Welcome to Dallas.
First, we take with flying with Fiji Airways, Inaugural.
Inakavakelevu.
Coming home.
Welcome to Hamrika, Bara.
Oh, reach to the sky, feeling the vibes, coming right home where I belong. Oh na na, oh, my papa he could be there.
After playing snakes in line, we're finally in before a counter at the customs. We're just gonna get cleared and then we'll make our way out straight into the coach. Well, we grab our bags straight into the coach and then straight to the venue where we have a function for tonight. Yeah, let's go. Waiting for Billy Boy.
Always waiting on me.
Yeah, got his suitcase there.
Where's this suitcase?
us coming?
Hello.
Yeah, we're all here. Lucy saying for us to take an Uber.
Lucy asked for us
Uber. She said for us to take the lead in an Uber.
Okay, I will do that right now.
Oh, love this weather. How does it feel?
I'm proudly representing Fiji in our national dress. It's cold, but because I've traveled quite a bit, I'm used to it.
Oh, bara. Sambo mata-mata.
Here we are here in the Wild Wild West. It's not looking wild
Yet.
yet.
Nuts.
The boys are not happy. The boys are not happy at all.
So, Uber.
We have to stick it, Manda.
Thank you. If you can take them down.
Because you have to move it together.
Uy, kasi nagdalokan. Hey. Yeah. Oh.
The restaurant is to the right, straight by the windows. There's an elevator to the 3rd floor.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. There he is. Give a back space.
Yeah. There's a storage room. You probably not leave the bags in here. There's a storage room.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
How are you?
I watched some of your videos, so I recognize your face. I'm Rachel. I'm the event manager for
Hello.
the. Yep.
Rachel,
So
can
you
we
have any
leave their luggage in the? There's another spot.
So they're all downstairs
Okay,
is
perfect.
all storage.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome. Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Hey, Tony. Nice to meet you. Pleasure.
He is our AV
Hey,
person.
I'm Tony.
So
Hula.
he got your order from Instagram.
Yes, sir.
That's the guy.
Yeah.
Jimmy had that space.
Yeah, baby. That's great, man. Well, we got you all set up over here. Whenever you guys
I think we're gonna
like to, feel free.
something. Yeah.
Kingdom Bear.
Ready for the gig? I was sound check.
It's beautiful,
Beautiful chaos.
beautiful gear, you know.
Bar.
Wakil serap tu.
Bulavinaka, ladies and gentlemen, and my name is Kameli. It was a special moment to witness the excitement of the passengers on board there.
Done for the night. Sorry, my battery gave up. We're heading back to the hotel. Is the bus?
The luggage goes to the back.
Oh, yeah. It is very cold.
Yeah, got you there. I know you guys are cold.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
There's space somewhere.
Yeah.
Go to the back, boys. There are 2 seats here. Lucy can sit there.
Ladies can sit there. Right. What a night. We're going to wind down a bit more, have some grog at the hotel, and get some much needed sleep. Signing off from Dallas. See you in the morning. Nawalu. Yandra. From Sheraton, Dallas, Texas. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning. Actually, it's 12 o'clock. Body clock is still on Fiji time, so still adjusting. We are heading out for some sightseeing and a bit of shopping. I want to check out some Texas barbecue, the famous Texas barbecue. So we'll take you with us. See what Dallas has to offer. Let's go. My roomie.
Good morning. What day is it today?
It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday in Fiji. In Dallas, Texas. The state of the Lone Star State.
Texas. Let's go see the boys.
That's time. We got a lot of time.
Yeah.
Bula. Actually, it's Howdy Bula. Howdy Bula from Dallas.
The Lone Star State. Is that correct? The Lone Star State.
In our Uber. We are heading to the guitar center first.
Oh, reach to the
here at Guitar Center. Let's go check out the gear.
Those moments to celebrate and be proud. Moments they last forever. With beautiful memories that are filled with joy and happiness. I'm coming home.
Getting some guitar strings. Now to find some cables. From Guitar Center, now we're heading to the mall.
Grocery Walmart. Walmart is not.
But you can buy the. How will they know that from another shop?
I got the receipt. Need to find water. Go crazy!
Oh, here, what I'm looking for.
Diaper. Right, we're out from Walmart. Bara bought some stuff.
Yeah, it's a shop. Almost forgot some stuff.
What's you got?
This phone case.
Phone case. I don't think I need to buy anything. Got too much stuff. But we're gonna go check Ross tomorrow. Now we're gonna dial for the Uber and head over to the most important part and the one that we've been looking forward to. We're going to have some Texas barbecue.
What'd you get? I got stuff for my dogs. My collar, dog collars, and because I got like a little baby German Shepherd, I got a toy and flea and tick collars. I actually bought like biscuits, and luckily Lucy was here with me. She said you can't take meat products through. So those bones saved a lot of money.
Right. Got an Uber. Oh, shopping.
At the shopping.
Heading back to the hotel now. Drop off our stuff and then most anticipated part. What are we doing, cuz?
We are going to Terry Black's barbecue. It's a must do when you come to Dallas. Best barbecue.
Tell them who's shouting my lunch.
Timothy shouting Kuki's lunch.
Right, we're going on an adventure. Barbecue, barbecue. Warna super stalls. We're gonna go catch the train.
Yeah, look at the word in front there. Fast food tonight.
Baileys.
Yeah, so we've got green.
Daily Brits.
Daily Brits.
It says green in the front.
on a hunt for what?
Terry blacks.
Terry blacks. I don't think it's here. We found it.
Terry blacks parking lot.
Look, Kuki.
Looking forward to the feast. Let's go. Full. Hey. Oh my gosh. This is the type of stuff we see in the movies.
Beneath this, but just like full length, but beneath this.
This guy. Guys, check this out.
Yeah, how you guys doing?
Ooh.
Some briskets right here.
Oh,
real good. Just a little jiggle. These guys have been cooking for about 10 hours right now. We're gonna wrap these guys up. Cook them for another 2 here in paper. They with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, some rendered beef fat, beef tallow as well. We wrap this guy up nice and tight like a Christmas present. Keep it in this paper. It's gonna keep in some of this fat and moisture, but it's not gonna like sog out that nice bark on the outside. So you're still gonna have a little crunch. You have all this nice rendered fat in here too. Real nice and tight like that. We'll flip it around the other way, back on the pit, cook 2 more hours.
Beauty.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
Of course, guys.
Thank you so much.
Sure thing, sure thing.
Cannot wait.
So yeah, this is where we keep the